What's up YouTube? Welcome to Automotive Life. My name is Lucky and today's video is all about building an automotive empire. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video today is we have a lot of fun stuff going on. So, if you guys don't know, I sold my dealership about 1.5 years ago to another company, and during that time I was supposed to be traveling, doing consulting, stuff like that, and the pandemic hit and I was not able to do it. Well, I have some really big news, but before I get into that, if you could do me a huge favor and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, it helps me find more amazing people like yourselves that enjoy automotive content. Also, if you consider subscribing, I post epic stuff like this all the time. And without any more shameless plugging, let's get into the video. So if you're new to my channel, about 1.5 years ago to 2 years ago, I decided to sell my dealership to another company. Now at this time, I'll be honest, I was burnt out. I wanted to travel. Consulting just started picking up. I was getting a lot of calls to help other dealers and I was having more fun doing that. So that was my plan. We did the paperwork, we did everything. I was getting ready to leave and boom, the pandemic happened. So I winded up getting stuck here. Now it's a blessing in disguise because since I got stuck here, I was bored. Started doing YouTube, and then I built my YouTube channel and it just kind of blew up from there. So now I have this YouTube channel, things are going great. I love helping you guys and it's really been growing and you know, everything's been great. But over the weekend, I got a call from the company that I sold my dealership to and they were telling me that they're gonna move to another location. They got big plans for some other stuff and they asked me if I would like to get my old location back. At first I was like, no, you know, this is the first time I've been, you know, debt free. I haven't been stuck somewhere. I've been able to move around, kind of do what I want, you know, and I told them, give me over the weekend to think about it. And that's why I'm making this video today. Now, don't get me wrong. I love the automotive industry. I love the car business. It's my life. Obviously, I talk about it with you guys almost every day on this channel. But, you know, I've never had this much free time. One of the main reasons why I am single and I have no kids, if you guys didn't know already, is because I work all the time. And, you know, this business is very time consuming. But once it gets up and running, you can kind of walk away. But I was just one of those people that kept trying to figure out how I can do better. And, you know, I wanted to take a break. Well, I kept thinking about it over this weekend. What should I do? Should I jump back in? Should I enjoy my freedom? Should I keep growing my YouTube? And the best thing I can come up with is, you know, I preach on how I teach people how to set up their dealerships, how to set up their rental car companies, and how to set up their automotive repair shops. And I figured what better way to actually do that than to show them how me starting up from ground level again. So I figured this would be a good way to show exactly what I do, how I do it, you know, and actually get my shop up and running. So as of right now, I still have a no compete. So as of until next year, basically, I'm not allowed to open up a car dealership. But I got the okay to open up an automotive repair shop and a car rental company, which is great. So I'm not infringing on my contract that I have with these guys, and I could still show you guys how to do that. And I figured this would be a great way to get this off the ground and show you guys how I do everything, how things work. It should be a very fun segment. You know, it's going to be a lot of, you know, behind the scenes stuff. You know, a lot of the projects I've been planning on doing, I kind of put off because if you guys don't know, I actually rented this studio, this is one of the rooms right behind me. I'll put a picture here of where the gray wall is, where I park my car all the time and I do the chalkboard stuff. That's right behind me, or actually, excuse me, right behind you, but right in front of me. And, you know, my goal was to put a lift there, put my air compressor, put tools, and start doing stuff right there as part of projects for my channel, because that's the next evolution of my channel, is to get you guys showing. So I have a 1959 Ford that I bought that I was going to build for this project, or for this channel. I also have a 2008 Ford Mustang that we're going to lift, put big off-road tires on it, make it all zombie apocalypse, and go to Hoopty Cross, which is a very fun thing where you take a $500 bucket and you race it against other buckets off-road, and they're coming here to Vegas in November. So these are some of the fun stuff I wanted to have planned for you guys, and I wanted to build them here. But now that I have the opportunity to get my shop back, I'm going to be able to do that over there and much, much more. So, you know, the reason I'm making this video today is I'm actually going to tell the company that I am going to take back my building, and I want to give you guys behind the scenes of, like I said, showing you how to start it, how to get it, how we get customers, you know, how I build my shop, how I do everything else. So this way it gives you guys a little bit of insight to seeing how not really hard it is, but I'll make it look easy, but it's not that bad to get started. And you know, if you do things right, you'll be able to get up and running. This also means that we are hiring people. So if you are a mechanic in the Nevada area, please message me. I'll leave my contact information below. It's always Lucky at Automotive Life is my email. Also, if you do any type of, I need a, excuse me, what's it called? Graphic designer. I need someone that helps me with video editing, because right now I'm editing all my videos and it's getting really time consuming. So if you do video editing, definitely give me a shout out as well. Preferably if you're United States. Sorry, I hate sending stuff overseas. The language barrier makes it too tough. So if you are overseas, don't bother emailing me. I'm sorry, but I just want to deal with somebody here in the States. Also, I'm going to have some opportunities here for some staff and everything else, but I figured this would be kind of a cool setup, because once I get the shop open and running, if you want to learn how to open up a shop, or if you want to see how a shop runs, you guys can actually start coming to the location. I can do my training there, because right now I offer online training and I actually fly out to you guys and do training there, but that's a little bit expensive. Where this would be a little more inexpensive if you decide to fly here and learn how to do this stuff here. So we'll be able to do dealership training, car rental training, automotive repair, and body shop training, all from Las Vegas, which is great because we have tons of hotels and tons of fun stuff to do. So you can come here, tell your wife you're going for a business vacation and not lie to her. So you can actually be doing some business, learning how to make some money, and having fun with cars all at the same time. So the whole goal of this one is, like I said, we're going to build this thing up and see what we can do with it. Now, I don't know what we're going to do now, because I'm in kind of a conundrum, because I just built this studio, but I really don't need a studio now. So I don't know if I should keep this and use it for side projects, or if I should, you know, invest more money in the shop and build a studio inside there. So I'm kind of torn. So I got a little bit of decision making to figure out what I want to do now, or if I want to just set up a studio inside the shop. But lots of cool stuff. Like I said, I'm very excited. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and let you guys know that, like I said, I am going to be starting over my Automotive Empire. I got some really funny names picked out. But anyways, if you guys learned anything, please smash the like button. I truly appreciate it. Also, if you can subscribe and click the notification bell. I think about 79% of you guys watching this video right now are not subscribed, so please do. Also, if you can follow me on Instagram, automotive.life, I truly appreciate it, and we'll see you next video.